Hi everyone, welcome back to Immigration YTTV, where we make immigration processes clearer and more accessible. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for survivors of human trafficking, the complete guide to obtaining a work permit with a T visa in the US. If you've been a victim of severe trafficking, whether sex or labor, you deserve protection, stability, and the chance to rebuild your life. The T visa isn't just a status, it's a pathway to employment authorization, benefits, and eventually permanent residency. We'll cover eligibility, steps, forms, and even the latest updates from USCIS as of 2025. A quick note, this is empowering information, but it's not legal advice. Reach out to trusted experts for your situation. Let's get started. What is a T visa? The T Nonimmigrant status, or T visa, is a special visa for victims of human trafficking who are physically present in the U.S. It grants you up to 4 years of legal stay, protection from deportation, and access to work authorization. Unlike other visas, it's victim-centered, meaning USCIS recognizes the trauma you've endured and offers flexibility in proving your case. Once approved, principal applicants get an Employment Authorization Document, EAD, or work permit, automatically, letting you work legally anywhere in the U.S. without restrictions. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for T status, you need to meet 4 main criteria. Victim of severe trafficking. This includes sex trafficking, force, fraud, or coercion for commercial sex acts, or labor trafficking, exploitation through force, fraud, or coercion for involuntary servitude. If you are under 18, coercion isn't even required for sex trafficking. Physical presence in the U.S., you must be here, or at a port of entry, because of the trafficking. Recent updates add exceptions for temporary departures after the trafficking for safety reasons. Cooperation with law enforcement. You've helped or are willing to help, investigate or prosecute the traffickers. If you are a minor or can't cooperate due to trauma, you're exempt. Extreme hardship. If removed, you'd face unusual and severe harm if sent back. Think retaliation or unsafe conditions. You're also generally admissible to the U.S., but waivers are available for most grounds of inadmissibility. Step-by-step, applying for T visa. Applying is straightforward but requires strong evidence. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Gather evidence. Write a personal statement about your experience. Collect proof like police reports, affidavits, medical records, or news articles. For law enforcement cooperation, get Form I-914 supplement be signed by officials or explain why you can't. USCIS accepts any credible evidence under their trauma-informed approach. Step 2. File Form I-914. Download and complete Form I-914 application for T Nonimmigrant status from USCIS.gov. Include your statement and evidence. If including family, spouse, kids under 21, or parents/siblings in some cases, file Supplement A2. Use a safe mailing address if needed. Your info is confidential by law. Step 3. Submit to USCIS. Mail everything to the Vermont Service Center, address on the form. No fee, it's waived for T applicants. Step 4. Wait and respond. USCIS may request more info via a Request for Evidence, RFE. Track your case online at my.uscis.gov. How to get your work permit EAD. Now, the work permit part, your ticket to financial independence. For principal applicants, you, the victim. Once T1 status is approved, USCIS automatically issues your EAD. No extra form needed initially. While waiting, file Form I-765 under Category C40 with your I-914 for a bona fide review. If approved, you get deferred action, protection from deportation, and an EAD right away. For family members, if you're in the U.S., file Form I-765 separately or with your Supplement A. They get EAD only after you do. Overseas family can't work until admitted. The EAD is valid for the full T status period, up to 4 years, and renewable. It looks like a photo ID. Carry it when working. Recent USCIS updates August 2024. Staying current? USCIS rolled out big changes in 2024 to make things faster and fairer for victims. Bona fide process, effective August 28, 2024 for applications filed on or after this date. USCIS can grant deferred action and EAD quicker if your case looks solid. File I-765C40, concurrently highly recommended. This applies to pending cases too, but protects pre-2024 filers from losing eligibility. Evidence flexibility, more emphasis on any credible evidence, and a trauma-informed review process. Other tweaks, expanded exceptions for physical presence and clearer rules on reporting to law enforcement. As of March 2025, Q&A guidance confirms automatic EAD issuance and fee waivers through green card stage. These updates mean less waiting and more support. Check USCIS for any 2025 tweaks. Fees, processing times and tips. T Visa and EAD application guide. Fees. Filing fees for T visas, Form I-914, and associated EADs are fully waived until green card eligibility, easing the financial burden for applicants. Processing times. T visa, 20 to 30 months. Check USCIS processing times for updates. Bona fide EAD, typically processed faster, often within a few months. Tips. File T visa and EAD concurrently to reduce delays. Work with USCIS accredited representatives for accurate applications. Use the USCIS hotline for free guidance. Avoid scams. USCIS never asks for payment upfront. Conclusion. That's your complete guide to a T visa work permit. If this helped, like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Remember, healing and hope are possible. Take care. See you next time.